not see that line. Drop it right there.
You can get out of it.
I don't think Junkie does either. There's a fan hanging out at the bottom. I need one of them too, but I don't want that one. Why? Double fan.
Transmission burned up on number 5. He's all done. Good run for Derek Clemens. He had some problems.
I got a Junkie now. Drive that close.
Failing on the 1840 Trio Kershaw.
Keep firing. Don't run it. Ah. At least fix the train more than he put a new seal on it. I'm gonna say, 'cause if not, here for long, you might not have. Junkie, Matt Wessel, and the Mystery Machine for Randy Sparkback. I got 1:16 left for recording, so once that's done, we're going. Our diving speed now.
That might be what it is. You go back to say qualifying hit, and he does. So that resets. That's a hit. So now Mystery Machine on the clock. Mystery Machine could be measured going down third place.
My thing is jump.